I've got a cozy video in store for you today. You can get organized on a tiny budget. Today I am at Aldi's. Oh my goodness. I'm going to put a link below so you can find an Aldi's near you. If your fridge always looks disorganized, I saw something like this on TikTok. Here at Aldi, you can get these beverage dispensers for less than $5. Organize it for football season. Let me know which team you're rooting for in the comments down below. The way I see it, it's a go organization. That's what this entire video is all about. Here's a secret. I'm just laying it out for you. In every Aldi's, it is cheaper than Walmart and Dollar Tree and sells so many of the same products. Over 90% of what is found in store mimics high-end brands at a fraction of the price. Making your own cleaning products saves a lot. Putting it in bottles to make it last costs a lot, which is why I love Aldi's. They have these glass spray bottles for $3.99. They have tons of items that remind me of Crate and Barrel right now at Aldi. These wood bowls, this is so beautiful, but I think my favorite find is mimics William Sonoma. They have these wood and marble lines that just came out. It's so expensive. Aldi sells the same for under $10. These are so beautiful and so affordable. It's cheaper than the thrift store. And I gotta talk about food, especially the amazing treats. Their Oreo dupe is so good. These are delicious. Faux books. This is beautiful. This is a great way to stay organized. You could put your remote controls in here or just your good chocolate. The fall section at Aldi's is always killing it. They're candles. I want to know what your favorite candle scent is. They're only $4.49. This is a lot of candle for the price. This is a big one. It has a lot of wicks. I kind of like this. Aldi's is good for their cinnamon brooms. They're only $3.99 and they smell amazing. Also, under $10 are these organizers. I fell in love with these. They look so great by your front door to hang your keys. This looks so good in my house. Another great find at Aldi's are these blankets. These are awesome. It fits a full or a queen bed, and I like it to layer blankets. This is such a great price. The wood items at Aldi's are awesome, as are all of their baking dishes. This is a really good deal for a cast iron skillet. This is only $9.99. My friends, follow your heart.